everybody, welcome to Cooking with Dash, and today we're making chocolate ice magic for our ice cream we just made, and our ingredients are coconut oil and chocolate milk. Now this is really simple. This is only a 2 ingredient, so why would you buy it at the shop? You can just make it homemade. Tastes even better. Okay, now we put the chocolate milk into your bowl. You need more?
Oh, that'll do. A bit more. Yep.
Now we got our chocolate milk, let's put it in.
Yep. Start.
40 seconds looks like this.
Give it a stir.
Now you put on a 10-second after the 40-second. This is our secret ingredient to make it freeze. Now it should look like this when it's finished. A bit less liquidy because you need to make sure that it's smooth and liquidy. Now the ice magic is ready. Should look like that. Now we put the ice magic on. We just made this yesterday. It should go hard. It's 30 seconds.
It's getting hard.
It's getting going, but our ice cream was left out, so it's not cold anymore.